Should have waited till morning, but Newfield Generator, gravity-assisted power project, generation project. Yeah, Newfield Generator, gravity-assisted pulse winter project. Here we go. Anyways, so we reconfigured the cam to a bow tie configuration consisting of 45 degrees on each side of the 180. So sort of looks like a green lantern symbol. Anyways, we're getting a nice RPM. And the next step will be hook up the hover motor PMA, and we'll see what kind of electricity we generate. So that's 20 pounds on the stationary side, 30 pounds on the rotating weight. And it plugs and chugs quite nicely, so we're happy with the results at this point. We can experiment with cam timing and what else? The on time was the big thing. It just, yeah, it needed a longer on time. And then, so we'll be adjusting those in the next couple of days. But I think the next step is to see what sort of electricity it generates at the PMA output. So, thanks for watching. Get a good night's sleep. Cheers.